Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you another design team project that I have just completed for Metta Studios. The channel here on YouTube is Christy Biddleston, but she does have an Etsy shop and she sells beautiful, absolutely beautiful mandalas and all different things in her shop. So check them out. It is Metta Studios. So for this month, she sent us journal covers, and I have finished mine. I painted it and just put some glaze on it, and this is the design I put on the cover. It was a challenge, but I enjoyed it immensely. It's very relaxing doing this. And inside, I just covered it in some vintage music paper. And then I used some dyed papers from Darkwood Sanctuary on Etsy as well. Actually, I put the whole month's kit in this one. And Chrissy has sent this little notebook as well. So I put this in the very back of it. It was, it was time consuming, but it was fun. And they are all in with Midori style. There are 3 places so that you can use this cover over and over and over again. And I'm going to be doing a lot of journals in this style for a while. They seem to be the ones that are now being requested so that people can just, say, hey, I need to buy a signature instead of the whole journal. So I'm going to do some in different sizes and put them in my shop, and then I'll put some different signatures in there as well and put them in my Etsy shop. So be watching for those. Same name as this channel, but check out Metta Studios on Etsy. And she also sells the starter kits when she can keep them in stock to start doing the mandala paintings. And she has a Mandala Monday on her channel here on YouTube by the name of Christy Biddleston, where she paints a mandala every Monday, and you can learn so much from watching her. I mean, I have learned immensely from watching her. As a matter of fact, I learned it all from watching her because we drew them and colored them back in the 8th grade, but I had not had the experience with the dot painting until I saw her doing it, and I got to talking to her, and I thought, I really want to try it, and I'm so glad I did. It's very relaxing. It's very meditative, and it just, I don't know, it just really helps me a lot. So that's the end of my design team project. I hope you like it, and like I said, I'm enjoying making them like this. I'm going to do some like this for a while. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.